1. Am I alternating?
Yeah.
Yep.
And it's 10 of them.
Wait, is it 10 of each or 10 of total?
10 shoulder taps.
Okay. I did it.
What are you doing? What the heck? Are we just like running or something? Okay, tell me when to stop because I'm not counting.
That's what everyone always does.
That's what everyone's doing.
Yeah, they always do this. They never do like this.
Sam's going to show us.
Oh, that makes a lot more sense.
Okay. You're weird.
I did 5 on each side. I just did 1, 2, 3. Dude, this isn't even.
Sam, are they supposed to work out in a Minecraft jumpsuit?
Yes.
Awesome.
That's the new workout attire. Where's that new feel? It's just like.
I don't know. I slipped. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Ah!
I'm not very good at this.
You are good at push-ups compared to me. I suck at push-ups.
Look at your toes. Yes. Why are you doing namaste? Because I like to do it. Namaste.
Done.
Okay, what are we doing?
Now we need 10 burpees. Oh no.
How was this?
So a burpee is a jumping jack
Not hard.
with a push-up.
Wait, a burpee. Ah, I hate them.
Yeah.
I haven't done 10 of these yet. Yes, I have. I've done 10 of them. I'm on 9.
Come on. 4 burpees.
No, you have to put your butt up.
I am.
All right.
Okay, now can I?
He doesn't have to. Probably will, but.
No. Supposed to do pull-ups, so I don't have a pull-up bar.
So now burpees.
Okay.
Ruth, you want to do it with him?
Sure. Okay.
Sam, do it with him.
Wait, don't we do a push-up? Okay. Oh, that's way easier than I thought it would be.
Keep on thinking.
I keep on thinking. You're like,
I keep on thinking
I didn't get
we're
down there.
running to dad.
I fell over.
Oh, my hands hurt from that. Because I just jumped and then landed right in the push-up.
Boom. Boom. Boom.
That
was weird.
Workout for me. Yeah,
It does.
bridges do look weird.
Sam, you're supposed to be doing it still. No, you keep going.
Okay.
I thought you were
I'll just
counting.
keep.
We did 15.
Oh. Well, we only needed to do 10, so. Hey.
Oh, dang it. I almost.
Oh, you did it!
You're supposed to still be going.
I know. Okay, I'll keep going.
Is this
What are
better?
we supposed to be doing? Oh, okay, I'll do squats with you.
Down further.
I didn't exercise. It's not even on there.
Look at your feet. As long as your knees don't go
Dad, I win. I
You're
didn't
good.
exercise. It's not even on there.
We're gonna do sit-ups.
No.
Sound good.
Sit-up tomorrow.
We tried to do homo rocks.
I don't think the timer's going to go.
Yeah, me
It will.
neither.
No, not yet.
Hey Google, how much time is left on my timer?
T-minus 4 minutes and 39 seconds.
Halfway. Oh,
Easy here.
Feels like it's.
What are loop bridges?
come on, Sam, the glute bridges.
Oh yeah, I can speed.
I didn't know they were blue.
Done. How does that take you so long?
I am so tired.
No, I'm super tired, and I literally do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
That's because you're a little kid.
I sound a little kid.
Yep.
Sure.
Compared to most people.
Wearing that Minecraft jumpsuit. I mean, I'd be wearing one of those too.
I just want to try doing push-ups. It still looks the same.
No, it's harder.
To me, it's the exact same.
Up.
Or
Holla. Are you going to say something really funny when you get up?
hamburger.
You should.
Hamburger.
That would be funny.
Hamburger. Hamburger.
Magic up, boo.
Burger. Okay, I did
Mom's just laying here over there. Hi.
Okay,
They can't see you.
I have died in. Oh, this is so comfortable.
Dad.
Good job.